Alright, let's do a video on today. So I'm watching a movie called Maleficent? Well, I don't know, and I'm just playing tanks. But today I had a really good day. I made the most out of Sunday. I got up and I said to my father, "Come on, let's go." And we went to a Cars and Coffee, and I met some old friends, sort of, not really. I know them. They were motorbike riders. I met some new friends, someone that was interested in my dad's car. Me and Dad got talking to him, and he's got the same car, but a V8, like a four-door V8, which I didn't know they do my dad's model in a four-door V8, but yeah, and this bloke came on a dirt bike, and I thought, this is a pretty cool girl. I embarrassed myself at the end of our conversation. I realised it was not a girl. It was a bloke. It's hard to talk about. He had such a woman's voice, and he weighed less than me, and he had long hair. It was so mine. Oh, jeez. Anyway, I apologise to him. Things got a little bit awkward, but I think we pushed through it. Yeah, anyway, he seems like an okay guy. It was just so funny and so awkward. Um, Made a beautiful lasagna. Actually, since I'm gonna go in the kitchen, let's have a look at it. There she is. Oh, beautiful lasagna. Really nice. Cheese. I still need to work on my cheese. It's not good. Or not the cheese, the whole foundation stuff. I only use flour, milk, and butter, and I feel like I can work one more ingredient. I'm just not sure. Yeah, but I probably want to go more into today, as in like the conversations I had with the Merc driver and the boy girl motorbike rider, and just in general what I did today. But I'm pretty knackered. I did have a big day. Well, big day, and I might just go to bed. But it's been a good day. I really enjoyed hanging out with my father, and yeah, it's been a good day. Bye. I regret not doing a full video on today, but that's alright. See ya.